Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. Today we got us a Nissan Frontier truck that we're going to do a little exhaust on. Let's get it raised up and I'll show you where we're headed on this little project. Alright, here's what we got underneath here. This is just a basic factory single exhaust, stock muffler, one tailpipe. So what we're going to do is put on a 40 series single end dual outlet muffler. Then we'll run them two tailpipes and bring this string straight out the back. He brought some chrome tips, so we'll install them, and I think she'll look pretty good. Well, first things first, let's go ahead and get this factory muffler and tailpipe cut off. Which we'll use our best friend, the Sawzall, on. Get all of that cut off of there. So as you can see, our muffler is the center inlet. And this should sit somewhere right in there. So, we need to make this little S-pipe here on the front so we can get our muffler up in there and center it up. So let's head over to the bender and knock that out. Alright, got a stick here of 2.5. Thinking about a 30-30 will get us where we need to be. We'll bend it, take it over and dry it. Just like so. Well, let's see how our 30-30 is going to work. Yeah, that'll put us dead center on that. So what I'm going to do is run over here to the bender right quick. We'll cut this off some and cut this off some so we can be approximately right there. And that should get our muffler done for us. There's a little S-pipe that we got. We can get her to fit on there like we want it. That'll tight fit. Yeah, right there looks good. All right, let's see how our muffler's going to fit on. Oh yeah. Get that muffler straight. And there we go. It's got a muffler on, no stress, no trouble. Let me go ahead and get that welded up. Then we'll do the fun part of making the tailpipes. Alright, got that all welded up. Turned out really well. Got our hanger on there, so she won't go nowhere. Alright, now let's get to bending some tailpipes. Alright, switched over to a 2-inch tubing, and I have this marked at 21 inches. Take that to an 80. That's our center bend over our axle. Come here opposite. Take it front to 40. Now this is the driver's side pipe. So now I'm going to come up, over, towards the driver. Right here, want to put us at 90, head it that way. run over it, put it in place, see where this pin needs to be. Alright, got my mark there. And to start off, I'm just going to put a 60 in it. And I take it over in there and roll it up in there and see if that's 100% where we need to be. Alright, you see why I put that 60 there? Now we'll come out here, put it to 30. And I noticed that I would like to get a little more rear end clearance in this hump. So if I do that, that's easy enough. Remember, we got an 80 here. Come back, take it to a 90. Then we'll take this to a 45. Still keeps everything nice and straight and square. Alright, our muffler is a 2 1/4 outlet, so we need to bump up this end just a little bit. Do it. Let's take it over and see how it fits. And as you can see, that fits fine. We've got plenty of clearance over the rear end. Fits our muffler fine. We're not worried about the spare tire. This right here has a cable on it. So a little bit we're underneath here. When this tire comes down, there's still enough room to get it out. Some shops told him when he was out price hunting that he would have to take a spare tire out in order for him to do it. No, that's not the case. You can get through here and make that happen. Well, we got our tailpipe coming out pretty much where we want her. Let's try our chrome tip. Alright, here's what we got. Now these are customer supplied. I didn't buy these or sell them to them. It's going to be about here. And then we need to cut some of this tailpipe off. And we can do that. Once we get it welded up there, we'll spring Sawzall over, cut it off, and get our tip and our hanger on it. Alright, well I'm going to get this welded on right quick and get our hanger, then we'll get our tip on, and then go to our other side. Alright, got this side taken care of, chrome tip, hanger, got her knocked out. Alright, let's head back over to the bender and see if we can make one for this side over here and get it installed. And then see what this thing's going to sound like. Alright, same as the other side. Here our center is 21. And we'll go ahead and pop the 90 in that. Then a 45 in our front. We're going to put a 45 here going out. I don't want that 45 to come straight. I want it to go out to the right a little bit. So just check it up like you're normally going to do it. Just drop her down some. Like so. how that gives that a curve over. Go ahead and swing this up, then run over there and check it. Alright, it's in there just like we want it. A little bit here to straighten her all back out. We should have it. Head on back over to the truck. Alright y'all, that fit in there just like we wanted it to. I've already got it cut off. Got my hanger sitting there. It's not tightened up, but it's ready. So let me go ahead and get this one welded up. And if y'all that want to know what I'll do, I'll weld up here first. Then I'll get the chrome tip sitting here. Get the height and length where it's supposed to go. Get it welded up. And then do the hanger last. And there we have it, guys. One set of duals on a Nissan Frontier. You see everything laid in there. Real nice. Just the way we planned it. So you can't ask no better than that. Alright, let's drop her down and see what she sounds like. Got a little tone to her. There we go, once she idles down, get a little deepness. Yeah, not too bad. There we have it, guys. Hey, puppies. And we had the puppies come out here. I'm going to guess it's going to be another satisfied customer. Little truck, I mean, it's a V6. It still has a good little sound to it. I think you'll like it. Well, y'all, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed that. If you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. We can sure use it, and it is very much appreciated. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, and until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.